This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about powdered milk versus regular milk. So in terms of nutritional content, the non-fat, dry, powdered milk is going to be the same as either skim or non-fat milk. There's really not a difference. This one has the liquid in it, this one's dehydrated. So it's a great non-perishable dry good to keep on hand in case of emergencies, like say if you run out of milk and you just want to reconstitute some to have in your morning coffee. It's fantastic to drink on cereal, whatever. It can also be used by adding it into baked goods where you want to improve the flavor. So think a rich yeast-raised dough like donuts. Often those recipes will call for a little of that non-fat dry milk. It also can be used to add things like protein content to, say, a smoothie or something else if you're looking to up the amount of protein you have in your diet. So it's a useful tool to have on hand to help balance out your nutritional needs, to use in some of your baked goods, and just to have on hand in case of emergencies. Now, if you are not a fan of skim milk, then it's probably not going to be your greatest option. Or if dietarily you need whole milk, right, then you're probably going to want to go with the fresh, but it is, of course, perishable and has a shelf life. So those are just a few things to consider, but in actuality, we keep both on hand on always. I like my whole milk for my dietary needs and using in my coffee and on my cereal, and I prefer it to skim milk. So I don't necessarily love using the powdered milk on that, but it's been great to have on hand for emergencies, and we also use it a lot in baking. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.